Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former governor of Anambra State and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election has made 3 visits recently that everybody is talking about, and that is what we're going to talk about in this video. And this visit has generated some controversy, especially 2 of those visits. But left for me, those visits are necessary and are nothing for anybody to complain about. But then you know that this is politics we are talking about. People have diverse opinion on issues. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Peter Obi's visits that is generating controversy, and everyone is talking about it. Thank you and welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, recently paid New Year visits to 2 key players in Nigeria's political scene in recent time. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo, who was also a major supporter of Peter Obi in the 2023 presidential election, and the former military president, General Ibrahim Badamosi Babangida, IBB. And then he visited Dele Farotimi, the human rights lawyer who was incarcerated recently because of the content of his book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, in which Chief Babalola, senior advocate of Nigeria, alleged that he was criminally defamed in that book. Okay, now, why should any controversy emerge from these visits? Well, one of them was not as controversial as the rest 2. That of Dele Farotimi was not controversial to many people, because Dele Farotimi, don't forget that Peter Obi was among those who stood as surety for him to meet his bail condition, for him to be released from a correctional center in Ekiti State. So Peter Obi paid him a visit, and after the visit, Peter Obi said that he was happy that Dele Farotimi was in high spirit, and that Dele Farotimi was ready to continue to work and speak in the interest of good governance in Nigeria. That his spirit is not down because of what he has passed through and all that. Okay, it was a very good move, a very good strategic move, because we know also that Dele Farotimi was one of those who stood by Peter Obi, and Peter Obi also has responded in kind by ensuring that Dele Farotimi met his bail conditions to come out. But Dele Farotimi was a staunch, obedient, who supported Peter Obi, who believed that even though Dele Farotimi is somebody who doesn't have trust in leaders of today, but he believes strongly that Peter Obi is different from the rest of them, that he is the one that he trusted can do a better job than any candidates in that 2023 election. Okay, and in fact, remember that it was when Dele Farotimi had said that he is going to leave Nigeria if Tinubu emerges president. Okay, say he will leave Nigeria if Tinubu emerges president. So when Tinubu emerged president, people were asking Dele Farotimi, why is it that he has not left Nigeria as he promised that he go on exile if Tinubu wins? And the Dele Farotimi was emphatic. He said he would not go on exile because Tinubu did not win the election. And he gave reasons to prove that Tinubu did not win. That's why you still see him staying there, back there in Lagos. You go and prove to Dele Farotimi how Tinubu won. And he will prove to you how Tinubu did not win. So that's the person we're talking about. So his visit, Peter Obi's visit to him was not controversial at all. Many people helped Peter Obi on that. Others were, those who are Tinubu people, they were still attacking him for that visit and attacking Dele Farotimi. But that's doesn't really make much impact to people, because the vast majority of views was that Peter Obi, it was the right thing to do to go and visit Dele Farotimi, to encourage Dele Farotimi that all is well, that he shouldn't lose faith in Nigeria, despite what he has suffered a short while ago. Now, that of Obasanjo, going to visit Obasanjo, people were attacking Peter Obi, that why is he visiting Obasanjo? That Obasanjo was among those who destroyed the country. Okay, Sowore was the leader of this group who feel that because Sowore is always, I don't know why he think that Peter Obi is his rival. He think he's in competition with Peter Obi. I don't know what gave him that impression, that he's in the same category with Peter Obi and other politicians. Okay, so he now said that how can Peter Obi be visiting Obasanjo? These are the people that wreck the country. And he was also attacking Peter Obi for visiting General Babangida. Okay, but in all of those visits to Babangida and Obasanjo, Peter Obi made it clear that he visited them to talk about the country and then to wish them well. These are elder statesmen who have done their part. They have done their bit in Nigeria. And consultation is not a bad thing. Even the Tinubu people that were attacking them, because there were people from Tinubu camp that were attacking Peter Obi for visiting Obasanjo and all that. But they themselves, their principal visited Obasanjo when they were in opposition. Remember that when they were in opposition, both Tinubu, General Buhari, and all of them, they visited Obasanjo. They visited Babangida. So that Peter Obi paid homage, New Year homage to this elder statesman shouldn't have resorted to attacks from their APC supporters and from other opposition groups, because what he did was not new. But Peter Obi had also been somebody who has said that when he becomes president, he's not going to be looking back, he's going to be looking forward. Okay, so whatever you think that Obasanjo didn't do well, or whatever you think that Babangida didn't do well during his time, Peter Obi will learn from them and move forward. You understand? And move forward. So his meeting with them is not that Peter Obi is looking backward. No. These leaders still have influence. These former leaders still have influence. These former leaders still have something to offer. So consulting them is not a bad idea. It doesn't mean that Peter Obi does not know that the future belongs to people like him and others. But then you cannot move forward without also consulting those who have been there before, because that is important by the kind of politics we play in Nigeria. So it's not supposed to be controversial, but people like Sowore and Co, they try to turn it into a controversy because they see Peter Obi do it. But politicians have been doing it. Tinubu have gone to visit Babangida before. Vice President Kashim Shettima had done so, and others. So I don't think that there's any big deal in it. But it's important that Peter Obi continue to consult with Nigerian leaders, past and present, to see how to build a new Nigeria. It's not supposed to be controversial. There's nothing controversial about it. But I'm doing this just to show that all this controversy being generated by the APC and by other opposition people to Peter Obi because of that visit was unnecessary. Because whether you like it or not, nobody can emerge president in 2027 without still consulting these people. You will see also that when elections start, Tinubu himself will still visit these people. Perhaps he may not visit Obasanjo, but he's likely to visit IBB. Okay? So that's part of politics in Nigeria. I don't think that Peter Obi did anything extraordinary, and what he did has diminished his potential as a forward-looking leader who wanted to see a new Nigeria that is not built on corruption. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.